right there. Good morning, everybody. We just picked up a nice load of 1-inch rock here. 28 ton. And 1-inch rock is really light stuff, so 28 ton looks like a lot of material. Well, it is a lot of material. But we're gonna haul it to this job site. We already hauled in one load of this 1-inch rock, and they said get another, and then we might switch to road base. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. But it looks like we might get a little bit of rain today. It's looking good outside. I think I've said it before in a video, but you gotta be really careful dumping this rock because it's really easy to get stuck. My truck doesn't have locking differentials either, so that makes it tough. There we go. Tried not to spread out my pile too much, but there's nobody over here to push me out right now, so I don't want to risk getting stuck. they dug up from the road and they had me haul it to this recycling place. And I don't see anybody here. So I'm trying to figure out where they want me to go. So I guess I'll just drive around for a while until I figure out where to dump it. Alright, here we go, dump some asphalt. I'm in here on an angle so I can try to back away from the asphalt. See, this guy's coming to talk to me. What's up?
So I guess up front, right by where the porta potty is, there's a box where you just fill it out, and then you just, I think you can put it in there. So yeah, I just called my supervisor and just let him know, just so I could double confirm.
Cool.
All right,
okay.
Man.
Thanks, man. Now that a little bit came out, I'm gonna back away and finish dumping. Wait for him to get out of the way. Just like that. Now we'll go fill out our paper, I guess.